Let's give some overdue credit to the real muscle behind our modern world, the excavator. We marvel at athletes and artists, but few notice the 30-ton machines that literally move mountains. There's something mesmerizing about watching these steel giants at work, a ballet of hydraulics and diesel shaping our cities and roads. The operators are true craftsmen, guiding these machines with precision and skill. It's not just about brute force, it's about building the foundations of our lives. In a world of digital noise, excavators offer tangible, immediate progress. Every swing of the arm, every scoop of earth is a testament to human ingenuity. Next time you're stuck in traffic, watching one at work, remember, you're witnessing the first chapter of a new story on the land. It's a daily performance, often unseen but always essential. These machines and their operators are the unsung storytellers of how we shape our world. The excavator, a true titan of the dirt. So, what is an excavator? At first glance it might just look like another piece of heavy machinery, but there's a lot more going on beneath the surface. Excavators are the backbone of construction and mining sites all over the world, and their unique design makes them indispensable for countless tasks. In short, it's a heavy machine built for digging, but that barely scratches the surface. Excavators are engineered to handle the toughest jobs, from breaking ground on a new building to clearing away rubble after demolition. Their versatility is what truly sets them apart. Picture a massive mechanical arm mounted on a rotating platform, able to spin a full 360 degrees. This rotation gives the excavator unmatched flexibility, allowing it to reach materials in any direction without repositioning the entire machine. This lets the operator dig, swing, and dump material with incredible efficiency, all while the base stays firmly in place. It's a design that saves time and energy on busy work sites. The undercarriage, with its tank-like tracks, spreads the weight and keeps the machine stable on soft ground. These tracks allow excavators to move across mud, sand, and uneven terrain that would stop other vehicles in their tracks. Excavators move dirt, rock, sand, and debris, preparing the ground for everything from houses to skyscrapers. They're also used for digging trenches, laying foundations, and even demolishing old structures. The real magic is in the design. A rotating house, a long articulated arm, and a powerful bucket. Each part is carefully engineered for strength and precision, making the excavator a true marvel of modern machinery. It's not just a digger, it's a precision tool in skilled hands. Operators can perform delicate tasks, like digging around utility lines or shaping the land with exacting detail. Every part has a purpose, working in harmony for maximum efficiency. The hydraulics, the controls, and the structure all come together to create a machine that's both powerful and precise. With its own engine, advanced hydraulics, and a sophisticated control center, it's a self-contained powerhouse. The operator's cabin is designed for comfort and control, giving the driver a commanding view and precise handling. It crawls into place, does the heavy lifting, and moves on to the next challenge. Whether it's lifting massive loads or performing fine grading, the excavator is always ready for the next task. More than a machine, it's a force of nature, tamed and directed by engineering. Its presence on a worksite signals progress, power, and the ability to transform landscapes. The excavator is the workhorse that shapes our world, carving out the spaces where we live, work, and play. Without it, modern construction as we know it simply wouldn't be possible. It's much more than just a digger. The excavator is a symbol of human ingenuity and the drive to build, create, and move forward. To truly appreciate an excavator, you first need to understand what makes it tick. Its anatomy is a marvel of modern engineering, each part working in harmony to create a powerful digging machine. Let's start at the ground level with the undercarriage. Those tank-like tracks aren't just for show. They give the excavator its ability to move across rough, uneven ground, providing both mobility and stability on any terrain, from muddy construction sites to rocky quarries. Sitting above the tracks is the house. This is the heart of the machine, containing the powerful diesel engine, the complex hydraulic systems, and the operator's cab. It's where all the action is coordinated and where raw energy is transformed into movement. The house is mounted on a turntable, allowing it to spin a full 360 degrees. This rotation gives the excavator unmatched efficiency, letting it dig, swing, and dump material without ever needing to reposition the tracks. Extending from the house is the arm, made up of two main sections: the boom, which lifts the arm up and down, and the stick, which extends outward for extra reach. These hydraulic limbs give the excavator its incredible range of motion. At the very end of the arm is the bucket, the business end of the machine. This is where the real work happens, as the bucket digs, scoops, and lifts heavy loads of earth, gravel, or rock with ease. Buckets come in a variety of shapes and sizes, each designed for a specific task. Some have sharp steel teeth to bite into tough ground, while others are smooth for handling softer materials or precise grading. Inside the cab, the operator is the brain of the operation. Surrounded by controls, screens, and joysticks, they command every movement of the machine, making split-second decisions to keep the work flowing smoothly. It takes real skill and experience to operate an excavator with precision. The best operators make it look effortless, smoothly coordinating the machine's movements for maximum efficiency and safety. When the operator and machine work together seamlessly, raw power is transformed into precise, controlled action, digging trenches, lifting boulders, or shaping the land with incredible accuracy. Every component, from the rugged tracks to the powerful boom and the versatile bucket, is engineered for a specific purpose, making the excavator a true workhorse on any job site. It's a marvel of strength, control, and versatility, built to tackle the toughest jobs and handle the heaviest loads day after day. That's the anatomy of a true digging machine, a perfect blend of power, precision, and human ingenuity. How does a machine this massive move so gracefully? The answer? Hydraulics. The diesel engine powers pumps that pressurize hydraulic fluid, sending it through a network of hoses and tubes. This pressurized fluid moves cylinders, the muscles of the machine. When fluid enters a cylinder, it pushes a piston, moving the boom, stick, or bucket. Hydraulics multiply force, letting a small joystick movement control tons of steel. The operator directs the flow, orchestrating every move with precision. Every lift, curl, and swing is powered by this closed-loop system. Even the tracks are driven by hydraulic motors. It's a constant, powerful flow that brings the excavator to life. Hydraulics make brute strength and delicate control possible. It's the silent, powerful heartbeat of the machine. That's how these giants move. Picture dawn at a quarry. The first sound isn't birds, but the deep, resonant rumble of a diesel engine coming to life. The air is crisp, tinged with the scent of earth and fuel, as the first rays of sunlight glint off steel and glass. Here the day begins not with quiet, but with the promise of industry and movement. The operator starts with a thorough safety check, walking around the massive machine, inspecting hydraulic lines, checking the tracks, and making sure every bolt is secure. Only then does he climb into the cab, settling into the seat ready for a day of moving mountains, one scoop at a time. The main job is clear, loading massive dump trucks with rock or gravel, each load a vital piece in the day's puzzle. The excavator becomes an extension of the operator's will, its arm reaching out with precision and power. The operator swings the house, extends the arm, and fills the bucket with a precise curl of the joystick. Every movement is calculated, every scoop measured, as tons of earth are shifted with practiced ease. Each load is placed carefully in the truck bed, keeping everything balanced. Too much on one side and the truck could tip. Too little, and the job slows down. It's a delicate balance between speed and safety. Dig, lift, swing, dump. It's a rhythm repeated hundreds of times a day. The cycle is relentless, but there's a certain satisfaction in the repetition, a meditative quality to the work. Communication is key, often just a horn blast to signal the next truck. Sometimes it's a wave or a nod, silent signals that keep the operation flowing smoothly, like musicians in an orchestra following the conductor's lead. Inside the cab, the operator is focused, feeling every vibration and sound. The hum of the engine, the crunch of gravel, the subtle shift as the bucket bites into the earth, these are the cues that guide each move. It's a job of concentration and skill, demanding both mental and physical endurance. Hours pass in a blur of motion, sweat, and determination as the operator pushes through fatigue to keep the work on track. By day's end, a mountain has been moved, one bucket at a time. The landscape is transformed, the piles of rock and gravel standing as silent testimony to a day's hard labor. The sense of accomplishment is real and hard-earned. There's pride in knowing that every load, every careful maneuver has contributed to something bigger than oneself. It's a symphony of steel and soil, played out every day. Machines and people working in harmony, each part essential, each note building toward the day's crescendo. That's the life of an excavator and its operator. A daily performance of strength, precision, and grit, set against the ever-changing backdrop of the quarry. Excavators do more than dig, they're the Swiss Army knives of construction. The bucket is just one tool. The end of the stick can hold a range of attachments. Swap the bucket for a hydraulic hammer to smash concrete, or add a thumb for a giant pincer grip. Shears slice steel, augers drill holes, grapples handle scrap, and rakes clear land. Each attachment transforms the excavator for a specialized task. This versatility makes it indispensable on any site. It's not just a machine, it's a platform for powerful tools. Whatever the job, the excavator is ready. Life at a quarry is all about scale and relentless motion. The excavator is the star, loading colossal trucks with blasted rock. Its tracks handle rough, uneven ground with ease. The operator in a climate-controlled cab must stay alert. Safety and efficiency are everything. The rhythm is set by the flow of trucks. Load, signal, repeat. Overloading is dangerous. Underloading wastes time and fuel. Operators develop a feel for the material and the perfect scoop. By day's end, tons of rock have been moved. Fuel for the world's roads and buildings. It's demanding work, but deeply satisfying. The excavator is the muscle behind our modern infrastructure. America's love for big machines is legendary, and excavators are no exception. The steam shovel, an early excavator, was invented here in the 1830s, key to building railroads and the Panama Canal. Today's machines range from 22-ton roadwork models to 400-ton giants like the Komatsu PC 4000. Some buckets can scoop enough dirt to fill 2 living rooms in one go. Prices range from $100,000 to over $20 million for the biggest mining models. Fuel costs are massive, but so is productivity. There are even national competitions, rodeos, where operators show off their precision and skill. Operating an excavator is an art, celebrated across the country. Why are we so captivated by excavators? They represent power, progress, and our drive to shape the world. In a complicated world, their work is direct and satisfying. You see the results instantly. Watching an excavator lift a boulder is pure, awe-inspiring power. The sounds, the engine, hydraulics, and clank of steel are a mechanical symphony. These machines are the backbone of our infrastructure, doing the dirty work that makes modern life possible. By watching, we honor the effort behind every road and building. Excavators are proof of our ingenuity and determination. Next time you see one, remember, it's a marvel of engineering and a symbol of human progress. It's a show worth watching every single time.